Settle down. Close your eyes softly and come back to your inner self. We're always looking outward for answers, but we forget what the oldest wisdom always told us. Nothing exists outside the mind. Every problem is just an echo of yourself. What you call fate is really just a reflection of your inner energy. Eastern wisdom says your body runs on 5 energies: wood, fire, earth, metal, water. If you often find yourself troubled by various issues, it's not you, it's your energy. It's just out of whack. This isn't mysticism. This is your body, your emotions, your life, screaming at you in the only way they know how. So what does Blueprint actually do for you? It decodes the exact mix of those 5 energies in your body. Which one is so loud it's pulling in the wrong partners? Which one is so quiet it's leaving you drained? Which one is clashing with your career, making money feel like pushing a boulder uphill? And then this is the important part. It tells you how to fix it. You're not a label, you're a dynamic field of energy. Once you find where you're out of alignment, you can bring it back. I'm Aurora. Tap the link below. Get your personal energy report.